హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు ప్రజ్ఞా మీడియా. ఎవరైనా అమ్మాయి డాన్స్ చేస్తుంటే చాలా ముచ్చటగా అనిపిస్తుంది కదా, అందులోనూ అందమైన అమ్మాయి డాన్స్ చేస్తుంటే చూడాలనిపిస్తుంది. డాన్సర్ మాత్రమే కాకుండా హూపర్ అండ్ ఏరియల్ యోగా కూడా చేస్తుంది మనతో ఉన్న ఈరోజు గెస్ట్ సీత. హాయ్ సీత, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మాకు ఇంత టైం ఇచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. హూపర్ని నేను అసలు కలవడం ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం అని చెప్పొచ్చు. నేను అంటే యాక్చువల్గా చూసాను కానీ బయట, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ కలవడం అయితే ఇదే మొదటిసారి. అండ్ చూసాను ఇందాక నువ్వు చేస్తుంటే నాకు అనిపించింది చాలా ఎనర్జీ కావాలి కదా దానికి. సో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ నచ్చిందా మరి? యాజ్ ఎ డాన్సర్ అండ్ హూపర్ అండ్ ఏరియల్ యోగా కూడా చేస్తావు అని చెప్పాను నేను.
యా అంటే సో నాకు హూపింగ్ గురించి తెలిసింది ఒక నా ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో షీ పోస్టెడ్ హూపింగ్ వీడియో ఆఫ్ హర్ when she was waist hooping she was doing the waist hooping, and then I was very inspired to do that.
Okay.
So and I just bought it as a toy to just experiment on my own, and then I didn't expect that I would come this far and I would be so taking it so seriously and I would be enjoying it, doing it every part of it. సో అలా నాకు ఆ జర్నీ అనేది చాలా ఫుల్ఫిల్లింగ్గా అనిపించింది. అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కంటిన్యూ ఫర్ ద రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై లైఫ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విచ్ హూపింగ్ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ మీ.
ఓకే. సో ఇందాక మనం మాట్లాడుకునేటప్పుడు మూడ్స్ని బట్టి కూడా హూపింగ్ చేయొచ్చు అని చెప్పారు కదా. సో హౌ అబౌట్ దట్ వన్, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్?
సో నేను కూడా అది ఎప్పుడూ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయలేదు, బట్ I have seen like as you said ki who is my inspiration, who from whom I got inspired to learn more on hoop tricks and the hoop flow. They say that hoop flow. So దానికి కారణం ఎవరంటే డియాన్ లవ్ అని ఒక యూట్యూబర్ ఉంది. ఆమె she's a hula hooper from Australia.
Okay.
And she has a lot of videos right from basic waist hooping to any kind of hooping. She breaks down it into very simple techniques, and she has a lot of free videos. Like she inspires you to learn hooping without investing much. Just you need to buy a hoop, and she inspires you a lot on many levels, like just as a learning as a trick, or taking it to a higher level, like making a hoop flow of your own, or balancing your energy levels and mood levels based on how you're feeling, channeling your emotions through the hoop. So why I said, because initially when I was learning, I started learning in even before the lockdown. It was not
you're learning by yourself, right?
Yeah.
There is no teacher for you, and you're learning through the YouTube videos and
yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Even in India there are two hoopers whom I really like aspire to look up to, who are Supriya. She's from Bangalore. I took a one-on-one hoop session like recently in June, I guess. She like just a 1 hour
Through Zoom.
Yeah to know the techniques, what I was doing, whether I was doing it correctly, or some tricks are very tough, like the shoulder hooping which I did. So it was very tough to learn. So you have to understand it. So some people teach you in a very easy way, the way they have learned. Yeah. So if that trick works for them, then if it also works for you, and if you get it, so it's very, some tricks are like that. So you get it instantly. Some tricks you won't get it. So it depends on the kind of how they explain it to you. So adi and ఇక్కడ ఇష్నా కుట్టి అని హూప్ ఫ్లో ఉంది. ఆమె షీ హెస్ ఫౌండెడ్ దిస్ హూప్ ఫ్లో company where she
in Hyderabad?
No, in Delhi.
In Delhi, okay.
Yeah, she sells hoops and all, and she also does this hoop jam. She has done hoop jam in Delhi, and right now the restrictions have been removed, so she has done in Bangalore hoop jam. So she calls out all the hoopers there, and they do a hoop jam kind of thing.
Great.
Yeah, so it's a very fun activity.
But what about the Hyderabadi hoopers here? Did you find?
I couldn't find, because I myself was learning it on an individual level. I connected many people on Instagram. There was a very good hoop community, people from Mumbai, people from Hyderabad, people from Bangalore, everyone I could connect, but from Hyderabad I could not. Other than Hyderabad I could connect. So on Instagram as well, there is a very good
community
on hooping, so who are very much interested to learn on their own, and we connect and we talk on how we learn. We inspire each other and we teach each other how, if we are failing out on one trick, they help us out, and we help us out when they are stuck at something.
Great.
So something like that. That communication and that bonding is very good for us.
Tell me one thing, while you are doing hooping, what you are getting to your body? Is it for fitness, or is it for just an entertainment, or it's for joy? You're getting a smile on your face. What kind of profits, benefits you are getting?
So basically, when I say fitness, I don't consider it as an activity, or I consider it as a choice. So I want my body to be healthy. I don't see that I need to have this six pack or whatever, that ab or that perfect fit, shape. I need to be healthy for my body, because my body, it asks something, so I need to fulfill its requirements. So based on that, I need to keep my body physically healthy and mentally also healthy. So in that way, I see fitness as a choice, not as how people say ki you need to be fit, you need to eat that, or you need to, I go deeper, and why we do this, and why just to show off someone else. I don't do that. I do it as a, I do it as a lifestyle. It's not for me. If I go to gym, then only I'll do. No, I will do whenever I feel like. I have that. I feel guilty if I don't do something. If I don't move from here and there. So I consider hooping as a therapy to me. So it helped me a lot during COVID time, because I was alone in my flat. I could not go home for around 4 or 5 months, and I was alone in my flat, and I had to take care of myself by learning. Keeping myself engaged in
some
learning.
activity.
And that helped me a lot. And even I could connect on Instagram with such amazing people.
Yeah, I have seen a lot of reels of you.
Yeah. So that way, it was a very good connect which I got through hooping, and the community, they have welcomed everyone. No matter what, like no matter how they are, no matter what they do, so we accepted, and everyone is so. I never got that kind of love from any other art form. So this was a very liberating,
unique, I can say, right?
Yeah. So I never thought I would experience joy to this level. Like it felt like a child when you ace one trick, and I could even see the children around in the park when they were seeing me hooping. They felt joy. They felt that joy, that pure joy I could experience. So it was a very unique experience. So the way when I was mentioning about the emotions, so yeah, we day to day we go through a lot of experiences, and not only good and bad as well. So the state of mind you are in when you do that hooping, so that emotion comes automatically when you hoop, because you want to channel out that energy out of your system. Otherwise, if it stays inside your system, you will vent it out on somebody else, like who is close to you or something like that, and obviously they will get hurt. Instead of that, you can channel that emotion. If you are angry or if you are sad, that comes out.
That emotion on hooping.
Yeah, it comes out. It channels you, and after you do that, you feel so refreshed. It's kind of a meditation only, I can say.
Got you. Yeah. Fine. Nice.
Yeah.
Explanation is really very nice.
Yeah.
I was thinking, what you are getting. See, this is a unique art, I can say.
Yeah.
And you got a lot of recognition also through this hooping. So how you're feeling about that one? Even I can't do that one. Even though first of all I don't have that interest, I need to get that one. But those people who are interested, like me, more people can't get into that one. So how you're feeling about that recognition?
It's actually. I feel actually blessed that I got to introduce to this art form, because this is an art form which gives you pure joy and only joy, and you can never feel jealous about anyone who is doing very well, because everyone's hooping is unique, and that unique flow you can't get from anybody else. Like unlike if you say a classical dance, you have to follow a disciplined you have to follow some discipline. I'm not saying that in hooping you can't you should not follow, but you have that lenience that you can you can learn on your own pace. You don't need to follow a certain rules, or you don't need to be strict. You can be spontaneous. You can be.
It's all up to you.
It's all up to you. You feel so independent and you feel so free. It's very liberating.
Liberating art, right?
Yeah. So that kind of an experience I never thought I would have, because I was actually wanting to have that kind of an experience, because till then I was as you said, I am a dancer. I am very much into dancing, but till then whenever I used to dance, I used to do the choreographed steps. So even though I felt happier, I never felt that joy feeling. Till I learned, till I got introduced to hooping.
But this is all yours, right?
Yeah, I mean, I can move my body in any way I want, because that is what my hoop demands me to do. So I don't need to do I don't need to impress anyone by doing some kind of
it's for you
step.
Satisfaction within you.
So that kind of feeling I never got through dance. Even yoga, I should not say, but this kind of joy feeling I never got. So it's a very therapeutic and very liberating and joyful experience, which I think I will definitely share it with many other people, and I will definitely inspire people who are really willing to do this, because I will continue learning it. And as you go learning through this hooping,
what is the next level? Right now you are in a what is the level? I don't know.
Maybe I'm into intermediate to advanced.
Okay.
So I mean, there are even smaller hoops where people do very. I mean, it becomes a part of you. I mean, you don't even know how the body is moving around the hoop, and how you just become one. You and the hoop become one.
It is dance within the body or with yourself, right? Great.
So I want to explore the deeper dimensions the hoop is going to give me.
Great. Thank you so much, Sita, and all the best in your future also. ఇంకా మీ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఏదైతే వెళ్ళాలని అనుకుంటున్నారో సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా వెళ్ళాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇంకా మోర్ నేను ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అవుతుంటాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ద టైమ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు యూ. సో చూసాం కదండి, హూపింగ్ చేయడం వల్ల మనమే చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంటాము అని అంటుంది సీత. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Please like, share, subscribe to Pragya Media.
Please like, share, subscribe Pragya Media.
Please share, like and subscribe Pragya Media.
ప్రజ్ఞా మీడియాని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.